Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I am back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out of your Facebook account. So if you've already been logged into your account, signed up, all set for your account, but you don't know how to log out properly, I am going to show you how to do it. So stick with me till the end of this video. For this, first of all, open up your Facebook app. As soon as you open up your Facebook app, you will land on your home page. Now, in order to log out, you can see that on the bottom right corner, there are 3 horizontal lines. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines. When you tap on it, you will land on an interface like this. You can know that you can scroll downwards, and in the very end, you have an option that says log out. Tap on it. Confirm that you want to log out by tapping again on log out. And as you can see here, you've been logged out of your account. So it is this simple to log out from your Facebook account. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on our future videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.